XB Marketing here with another video. In this video, I am going to be making a quick update on Cpalead. All right, I have made a lot of videos on this channel on how to use Cpalead content locker to make money with CPA marketing, but unfortunately, they have stopped or they have disabled content locking on their platform. So moving forward, what you can do is move on to other platforms like CPA Grip, CPA Build, OG Ads, Hardwork Media, and the likes. They still allow content lockers on their platform, but you can still also promote their offers as well. So if you come to the offer section right here, you can see you can choose any country right here. You can choose the type of offer that you want to promote on their platform. You can choose the device. So basically, if you do that, you are going to see a bunch of offers here that you can promote. So basically, all you just need to do is click on whichever offer you want to promote and you can copy the link right here. Okay, so once you copy the link, you want to make a landing page for the offer and you can start promoting it right away. So basically, this is just a quick update because I've seen a lot of people asking questions. They don't see content locker anymore on their account. So basically, I just wanted to let you guys know it's not a problem from your hand, it's from the platform itself. All right, so that will be all for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.